Hi, this is the Disgo Video Fun camcorder and camera, an unboxing. Bought in Curry's. Disregard it from the box. Not too bad. Case. Mini disc, user's manual, strap, USB to mini USB and AV to cam, and 3 batteries supplied. This is the little unit. It's a voice recorder, video recorder with 8x digital zoom, a digital still again with 8x digital zoom, self-timer for digital still photos, webcam function and 3 AAA batteries included. Works with most of the operating systems, and the accessories include a 1 gig SD card and the cables as shown. It will record up to an hour of video on the card supplied, and obviously much more with an alternative card put in the slot. Let's put in the batteries. It's got a micro SD adapter, and that's come out of this slot, and that's presumably where another card will go. So the power button, yeah, it's working okay. This is the zoom button. Digital zoom, a little bit fuzzy but not bad. That zooms it back out again.